My name is Celine. Thank you for being here this morning. Is there anyone taking worship for the first time with me? Hi. Welcome. So Warrior Salt is a mix of your yoga flow and spice of cardio conditioning. So we'll go back and forth between the two. I got your message. Thank you, dear. I appreciate you. Okay. So yes, we have our yoga flow and spice of cardio conditioning. We'll go back and forth, and I will lead you over that. The class leans towards being a little bit more faster pace. So if you need to slow something down, take a child's pose, take a moment and come back. Please exercise your right to do that whenever you need. Before we begin our practice, we will start with a little meditation so we can be as in our bodies and in the space as we can. So I invite you to lay back on your mat, or you find a seat posture of choice. If you have any blocks like props or things, feel free to use them to make yourself a little more comfortable. And now, when we get started, everyone, settling into our mats, into our bodies, breathing into areas of tension that might exist. Breathing steady into the nose, out the nose, warming yourselves up from the inside out. And with every breath, melt a little deeper into your mat. Let your thighs relax, hips hang, shoulders open, ribs mount. Soften your throat, your face, your jaw, the space between your brows. If you're laying back, consider bringing your hands up by your side, turning your palms up to the ceiling, continuing the theme of release and surrender. Better preparing you for our practice. Commit to stillness. Allow the floor underneath you to hold you up. Loosen the grip around your legs, cross at your ankles. Everyone rock yourself up to a seat on your mat. Inhale and open your hands out, bring them around, and pull your chest up to the ceiling. And now contract, round your spine. Give yourself a big hug and look inward towards your belly button. And again, you reach around, open up your chest and your heart. broaden up. And now exhale, round and contract, letting that in. Hold this other, come to a little rock, right, so left, twisting your back. Release your hands and then lower one knee and tabletop, however you want to take that for cat cow. Starting with our cow, arch your back, eyes up to the ceiling, tailbone lifts, and then cat contract around your spine, chin and chest, look for your belly button. And again, soft those elbows if you like a little bit more room to arch, open yourself up. And cat contract, push the floor, roll your back out. Find your neutral tabletop and take a side bend from your right hip to your right hip. And then left hip to left hip. And again, right to right. And left to left. Let's put this all together in one. Find your cat. Round your back. Find your right side bend. Find cow, arch, left side bend. Continue to move in a circular pattern. Cat, right side bend, cow, left side bend. Smooth out your circle. Give yourself the self-massage you deserve this morning. When you're ready, start to move your body in the opposite direction. Same circular sensation. Using head, neck, shoulders, hips, move it around. Let it feel good. Let it be organic to your body and your needs in real time. Whatever that looks like. And from everyone, return to a neutral tabletop and meet in downward facing dog. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up. And start to develop your heels. Maybe with the hips up with figure eight action. Just start to move organically in your downward facing dog and shifting away from heels to toes. Heel of your hands, the tips of your fingers. Move it around. Now everyone, hold your down dog nice and still. Let's begin with the hip opener. Lift your right leg up to a three-legged dog. So knees starts facing down, toes, knees facing down. And lift your leg up even higher until your thigh starts to open up. Now, let's take a scorpion. We're bending your knee. Reach your toes over to your shoulder. Start to open up your hips towards the brick wall. So press your hips forward towards the brick wall as your toes reach behind towards the wallpaper. Now you can stay here or you can go for a deeper stretch by flipping your scorpion. Take your toe down, reach your right hand up, and press all of your hips up to the ceiling. If you did flip your scorpion, start to look for the mat. Take your hand down and return your leg back up. Everyone stretch your leg back up to the ceiling. Let's take some ab work next. Pull your right knee to your chest, round your back, bring your knees to your nose. And stretch your leg back up to the ceiling. Now shift back forward, pull right knee to right arm. Okay, pull it sideways, nice and low. And stretch back up. Now pull right knee to left arm, but pull it all the way through, hold it here. And let's go to wide open. Stretch your right leg through and reach your left hand up. Open up your chest nicely. Take your hand back down and stretch your right leg back up to the ceiling. Place your foot down and let's switch legs. Other leg comes up high. Knee starts facing down and you want to lift up even higher, higher, higher. And take your scorpion, bend your knee, open up your hips to walk in, reach your toe towards the brick wall. And now flip your dog, your scorpion if you want. Hips reach left hand high. You keep pushing your hips, squeeze your butt, get higher, higher, highest. And then unflip, find your mat, put your hand down, and reach your left leg back up. And shift forward, pull left knee to nose. And stretch it back up. Left knee, left arm, pull it side. And stretch. Left knee, right arm, hold it, cross the body. And while they right your foot, reach your right hand up this time, open up your chest. And take your hand down on grip, everyone, and place your foot back down on the mat. Shift forward to your high plank and hold high plank, shoulders over wrists. Right? Plant those hands down. Shift forward another inch over your fingertips. And take a low plank. Bend your elbows, start to hover over the floor. Let your thighs come down and take your first up dog. Lift your legs up. Eyes are down. Chest is up. Shake your head out. No. Nod your head. Yes. Tilt your right to left. And now find downward facing dog. Lift your hips back up. Take a second to build your heels again. Right, left, right, left. Now we're going to lift your heels nice and high. Bend your knees, look up past your hands, step or hop forward. Inhale, take your first half lift, hands to shins, lift your chest up, and then take a forward fold. Soften your knees, fold over, and here at your torso. Inhale, reach your hands out and over your head, find a nice big, long, long stretch. Bring your hands together, exhale, lower hands down to your center, everybody. Really nice. Let's start with some cardio. Onto the squat. Separate your legs and bend deep and stretch long. Release your hands. Bend for two and stretch for two and bend and stretch. Two more than slow. Squat deep and lift. One more than slow. Down. Now try this faster. Single count. Go ahead and bend. Stretch. Down and down. Let's pulse in our squat, y'all. Pulse. Down, 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 and down, down. Keep pulsing. When you start to raise your hands above your head, hold your hands up high as you pulse for 4, and 3, and hold. Everyone set your right toes back behind you. Drive your thigh in, hands to thigh. Pull it in, and out, and in. Try it faster. Pull it in, and in, and in. 4 more pulls. You have more than that. Okay, let's turn it over to the brick wall. Everyone step out and open yourself up. Big stretch overhead. Exhale, round your right hand down. Give yourself a hug. 2 down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, round it down. Inhale, hands high. And come down low. Faster. 4 times. Up and down. Up and down. Very good. Up and down. Let's take a little squat, everyone. Full speed. Get down and down. Turn your toes parallel. First skaters. We want side to side on the mat, everyone. Go ahead. Open to the cross to the front of your mat. Open cross back. And open cross. Now take it as fast as you want. 8 counts. Move it. 8, 7, 6, 5. Last 4, 3, and 2. Big stretch, everyone. Open up.
see that money them show.